Hello everyone, welcome back to our kitchen. Today we are making our family favorite comfort meal, flavorful chole with fragrant jeera rice. Let's get started. I soak the chickpeas overnight, wash them 3 times and transfer them to a pressure cooker. Add enough water, cloves, black pepper, green cardamom and 1 tea bag for the rich restaurant style color. Close the lid and cook for 4 whistles. While chole is cooling, let's prepare our vegetable. Finally chop onions, tomatoes and fresh coriander.
The cooker has cooled down. I will remove a few boiled chickpeas and mash them up with a fork. This helps make the gravy thick and creamy. Don't throw away the cooking water. We'll use it in the gravy. Heat oil in a pan. Add bay leaves and cumin seeds. Once they start spluttering, I'm adding the chopped onions. Let's saute them until they turn golden brown. Now I'm adding the chopped tomatoes. Cook them until soft.
Trishaa, cook the tomatoes patiently. That's the secret to tasty gravy.
Now we'll let it simmer for a few minutes. They are becoming soft now. The consistency looks perfect now. Then add turmeric, Kashmiri red chili powder and garam masala. And then mix everything well and cook until the oil starts separating. Then add salt. The color looks beautiful already.
Kashmiri chili gives color, not too much heat.
Now I'm adding the mashed chickpeas and mixing them into the masala.
Slow cooking helps all the flavor blend together.
Time to add all the boiled chickpeas. Now let's pour in the reserved cooking water and mix everything well. Let's check our chole.
Trishaa, see the gravy is getting thicker.
Just a few more minutes. Finally add freshly chopped coriander leaves and cover again and let all the flavors come together. The whole kitchen smells amazing.
I had already washed the rice 3 times and soak it for about 20 minutes.
I am boiling water in a pot. Once it starts boiling, I'll add the soaked rice and gently stir. After a few minutes, I'll check the rice. Once it's about 90% cooked, I'll drain the extra water.
Don't waste this rice water. You can use it for your hair or pour it into your plants.
Now I'll add a little salt to the rice, cover it and keep it on low flame. In another small pan, heat some oil. Add cumin seeds, cloves, black pepper. Saute until fragrant, then switch off the flame.
Pour this tempering over the rice.
Gently mix the rice. Add chopped coriander leaves. Cover it for 5 minutes. Then let it rest for another 10 minutes. If you enjoy cooking with us, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. See you in the next recipe. Bye.